Buffett just revealed his biggest secret in becoming a successful investor in his Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting. This was his first shareholder meeting since his late friend and business partner Charlie Munger passed away. He got Warren Buffett to reflect on his own mortality, so there were tons of talks about succession. And this is what he said when talking about who will have the final say when making investment decisions after he passes, and more importantly, why. He said, "I would leave capital allocations to Greg, this guy." And here's the reason he provided for that, and I'm going to expand on why this is so important for you in just a little bit. He said, "Greg understands businesses extremely well. If you understand businesses, you understand common stocks." You've probably heard him talk about the importance of owning your own business, even if it's just a side hustle, for the tax benefits alone. But owning a business gives you another absolutely phenomenal perk. It gives you valuable insights into marketing and sales, the success indicators of any business, which in turn will level up your stock picking skills. This is exactly why I teach both investing and business to my $1 Million Family Accelerators, a group of highly motivated achievers I work closely with. In 2020, Warren Buffett was quoted saying most people should just invest in an index fund. I don't know about you, but to me this sounds a bit insulting. He's assuming most people are not smart enough to figure this out on their own. And I also know being busy is not an issue because I manage my over $4 million portfolio in only 1 hour per month. And I've seen firsthand that you are smart enough to figure this out. And when modeling success, I like to do what successful people do, not what they say. Do what Warren Buffett does, not what Warren Buffett says. Do what Dave Ramsey does, not what Dave Ramsey says. And do what Kiana Danielle does, not just what Kiana Danielle says. And these 3 things are exactly what I did to go from broke as a joke to building a multi-million-dollar investment portfolio and creating absolute financial freedom for my family. Every time I set a new financial goal, whether it's going from $500 to $50,000 or going from $1 million to $10 million, these are the exact 3 steps I take. Invest in myself to learn a new high income generating skill. 2, invest in my business or implement my new skill to create more cash flow. And 3, invest all the money remaining after paying for my necessary expenses in my crypto and stock portfolios. And if you're ready to get involved with the Investiva movement and join the thousands of our members who are doing the same thing, comment invest and I'll send you some free resources. Link also in my bio.